Should have invested in Apple. Oh, hello there. Welcome. Now that you've spent some time coming up with the topic that you wanted to research, it's time that we actually conduct said research. To do that, we're going to have to head to our media center. Okay, so we'll actually get to the media center in a little bit. But for real though, now that you've chosen a topic, we got to do some preliminary research that will help you better understand it, as well as prepare you for what to look for during the empathy phase. You should spend a couple of days doing research, and you're going to tell me what you learned by making a brief video explaining your key findings by the end of the week. More information coming up. Now, you already know that the internet is full of a vast amount of information, and when you run a simple Google search, you can get billions of results in less than a second. That's a lot, and you definitely don't need to know everything from all of those sources. So we're going to spend some time going over effective research strategies in order to make sure that you get what you actually need. Remember, we're seeking to develop a market-ready prototype by the end of the semester, and companies have entire departments for research and development. I know that researching might not be your favorite thing, not really mine either, but doing this step well is going to help you become more of an expert in your field, which can unlock a lot of opportunities when you start brainstorming solutions to your challenge. So let's go ahead and get started. Google is clearly a great search engine, so let's start there. You can do a basic Google search of your topic. I'm going to use grocery shopping as an example. Odds are more than likely that you'll find a Wikipedia page related to your search. In my case, I found one about grocery stores. Not shopping, but that's okay. You've probably been told by your teachers that you shouldn't use Wikipedia as a source when writing a paper, and they're absolutely right. A lot of those articles can be easily edited to include inaccurate information. In fact, I've intentionally altered Wikipedia articles before after assigning research papers just to prove that point. But in this case, because we're not writing a research paper, Wikipedia is a fine place to get started. It contains a general overview of your topic, so I say go for it. Read through the entire article to get a firm overview of your topic. On my article, there's even a suggested article list. If any of these jump out to me as relevant to my topic, I'd recommend clicking on them and reading those as well. Now, once you've checked out Wikipedia, you can start looking at the other results that Google gives you. Avoid ones that come from websites that look like they're gimmicky, right? Like the sites that have all the ads and stuff on them. I paused for a minute. But you want to stick to news organizations, well-known companies, the government, universities, things like that. Again, if there's a lot of ads, it's probably not a reputable source. So the step's going to require you to navigate beyond the first page of Google results. Notice that when I go through my search, I find a lot of articles about grocery shopping, especially when it comes to millennials and why they don't like it. It'll be helpful for me to know about why younger people don't like grocery shopping, in addition to the different hacks, tips, styles, and methods of grocery shopping that are available online. You can pay attention to the headlines of each search to see what results would be helpful for you. Finally, after doing some searching through the article results on Google, I would recommend that you look through media results, pictures and videos. See if there's any videos that explain more about your topic or any visuals and or graphics that have useful information that could help you learn more about your topic. Once we've done that, we're going to spend some time working with library databases. So let's go check those out next. Okay, so we don't actually have to go to the library. The good news is the librarians in our district, like Mrs. Pat, have done a wonderful job of putting together an online collection of research tools that you've actually used before, both as a freshman here at North as well as when you were in middle school, if you were with us in middle school. So what I'm going to recommend you do is navigate to our district's homepage. You're going to click on Library Resources. I gave you a link directly in Google Classroom to make it easier for you. And we're going to start with the Opposing Viewpoints link. It's going to take you to the Michigan eLibrary website, and on there you can browse through catalogs of information about different topics. It presents some contrasting points of view when it comes to specific issues, a lot of which are in the news today. So I'd recommend you take a look through those sites as well, so that way you can learn about any controversies or issues related to your topic. You might even find something there that helps you narrow down the topic, so that way you know specifically what to look for or what to ask when you meet with your end user. Okay, so in total, I recommend you spend 2 or 3 days probably working on this step. As you work through your research, you can compile your key findings and the preliminary research document provided for you in Classroom. When you're finished, I need you to create a short video that describes what you learned about your topic and how it can help you as you plan your empathy phase. There's an instruction file that will walk you through what you need to do to make that one happen. Good luck, and again, let me know if you have any questions.